I would like to teach about the 3D face in 3D Surface AutoCAD. Okay, before we use the command of face, we need to draw our drawing in 3D wireframe. So, for example, we need to make sure our exit in X or Y exit. So, for example, we draw a box. Okay, we go to home. Okay, we select the rectangles. For example, we specify first corner point. So this one. So we select the dimension D, enter. So length of the rectangle, for example, we select 300, enter. So specify width of the rectangle, for example, 400, enter. And then specify another corner. So no, just click. So we see that this one is our rectangle. So we need to do first in a 3D wireframe. So we just copy this object, enter. Select object to copy, this one, enter. From which point, this point to the displacement, second point here. So for example, we need to copy with height around 250, enter. So enter. So this one we have two rectangles. So we join by using a line command. Enter. Specify first one from this one to this one, and then just copy the line. Enter. Which object to copy here? Enter. Another object, not enter. So click from this point to this point, and this point. So we already have a box. So if we want to make sure that the face command can be used, so change this object to the realistic view. So go here, 3D wireframe, 2D wireframe to the realistic. Okay, so the object already in the realistic view. So you just type face. So click a 3D face. Okay, 3D face actually can be used if you have a 3 point or maximum of 4 point. So if you have a greater than 4 points, for example, your surface have a polygon 7 point, so you need to divide into two. Let's say, for example, the first one, your surface has 3 points, and then another surface has 4 points. So let we use this face command. So we need to choose the face command that easy to face. The first one, for example, I choose the base one. So this one, first point, second point, third point, and then fourth point. So we can saw that this box already have a face command. So if you want to change the color, just click here and then change the color. Let's say, for example, I need to use blue. Okay, enter. So we need to face another faces of the box. So just type face, 3D face. For example, I need to choose this one. Make sure your object snap are active to make sure you click in the right point. So just click layout, for example, X. Okay, settle. Another face. Just type face. Okay, so just type face. So select 3D face. Which one you want to face? This point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. So change the color. sample crayon. Okay. So which one to face? Another face. So 3D face. So this one. Okay. Change the color. So, face. Face a 3D face. So this point. Enter. So one more face to do. 2D face. So specify this one, and this one. Enter. Change the color. Say for example, magenta. Okay. So all the box we already face by using a 3D face command. So if your box you need to open and close the face, so you need to use the command rotate. So firstly you need to make sure that your UCS in the X Y plane, the right X and Y plane. So you just type UCS, enter. So for example, if we need to change this one, we need to open in this view, click. So this one X, so Y is for example Y is at the top, so we cannot use this one. Okay, so let's say for example Y here. Okay, you can see that X in this direction and Y in this directions. So if we want to open this box, so you just type the rotate. Okay, enter. So specify object to rotate, this one, enter. Another object to rotate, no, click. Base point to rotate from this UCS, click. So we can see that our box can be opened. So if we want to open, we can give the rotation angle. For example, I give 120, enter. So we can see that the box already open. This is command for 3D face. So we can change our view from SW to SE. So we can see that the box can be open and closed. That is the 3D face in AutoCAD drawing. That's all. Thank you.